don't know about you, but when the weather turns cold, I start thinking about heading to an all-inclusive resort. The last few times we've been to an all-inclusive resort, people have come up to us and said, "Oh wow, I wish I had brought that." So today we're going to share the things we bring that you'll be glad you packed. Simple, lightweight, and guaranteed to make your all-inclusive resort stay smoother, cooler, and way more fun.
Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to go over the things we take to all-inclusive resorts. The first item is an insulated cup. The reason this is so great is because drinks are unlimited, right? So when they fix your drinks for you, they only have to fill this one time. It'll last you for several hours. They don't have to keep refilling it. If you've been to an all-inclusive, you know what they normally hand you is a very small plastic cup. And the moisture and the humidity make your drink get warm quick, so it doesn't last as long and it gets watered down. So we would recommend bringing an insulated cup. There's several vendors. I really like this one. This is Contigo. I like it because this locks. It has a lock on it. It also has a straw on it, a sipper lid. So I think that's super handy. It's great because it locks and because you can hook it onto your tote bag or your backpack. And because it locks, you can shake up like a protein drink, your electrolytes. I usually keep a packet of electrolytes in here. So when I go through TSA, I go through completely empty. Then once I get to the other side of security, I add water, pour in my electrolytes, shake it up, and I drink this on the plane, the flight over, so I'm hydrated when I get to my destination. The next thing you're going to want to bring with you is a power bank. I like this one because it has the cords that are included, so it makes it really simple. Yes, you'll have plenty of outlets in your room, but you're not going to be in your room all the time. You're going to be at the beach, you're going to be at the pool, and what we have found is there's really no good place to charge your phones when you're outside of your room. The restaurants, the activity areas, the pools, and the beaches, they just don't really have places to charge your phone. And you're going to take lots of pictures and lots of video. So make sure you bring a portable power bank with you. This is one of my favorite things. This is an inflatable chair float. It has a sling mesh seat. It's very comfortable. It accommodates all different sizes. And you see how small it packs up. If you're taking a suitcase with you, you know how the pull-up handle on your suitcase creates these little ridges inside your suitcase? This fits perfectly inside of one of those ridges. So if you're two of you, you can pack two of these in a suitcase really simply. It folds down to this. It takes about maybe 30 seconds to inflate it. Doesn't take a lot, and the payoff is fantastic. We've used it at least 3 or 4 times. It inflates easily, it holds air nicely, and then when our vacation is over, we simply release the air valve, push all the air out, roll it up, and have it ready for our next all-inclusive resort. So I would really recommend bringing one of these pool floats with you. The combination of an insulated cup and a pool float can't be beat. That is relaxation. Something else you're going to want to bring with you is a very simple, lightweight, folds up to nothing string bag. What's nice about this is typically your all-inclusive resorts will give you a beach towel. So you'll have a beach towel, you may have some sandals or flip-flops, you'll have your insulated cup, you'll have a few snacks, your room key, your phone, and you're going to want somewhere to put those. And a beach tote is nice, but to be able to put this around your back, that's even better, because then you go hands-free. So I would recommend a very simple, easy to wipe off string tote. The next thing I would recommend is bringing some singles, some dollar bills. Yes, it's an all-inclusive, but you're going to want to tip the staff, the bartenders, the housekeepers, the room stewards, the gentlemen or young ladies who are going to pick you up in the golf cart and take you to the other side of the property, There's just several opportunities to engage with the staff, and being able to tip them with singles is just something that's going to make your vacation so much easier because you're going to have those on hand. Remember, it's unlimited food, drinks, room service, so it's nice to have those singles so you can tip the staff. Another thing you're going to want to add to your packing before you leave for your all-inclusive is sunscreen. Sunscreen can get quite expensive when you're trying to purchase it at the resort. But I know you're restricted by liquids in some places. So pack what you can, use the ounces and the regulations that you can, but consider also bringing a stick sunscreen. Several manufacturers now come up with a stick sunscreen that's easy to apply. There's also powders that come with a brush applicator. So explore the different kinds of sunscreen you can pack with you, because they're going to be a lot cheaper to bring with you than they are to purchase there. And lastly, it'd be really great to pack an extra bathing suit. Some people carry 2 to 3 bathing suits on the regular. I used to pack just one, rinse it out, hang it up, and be ready to go the next time. But in an all-inclusive, it's typically in a climate that's quite humid. So your bathing suit may not dry within 24 hours. So it's good to have an extra, a backup. Plus, sometimes you'll go to the beach or the pool during the day, but then in the evening you may want to go to the hot tub. Is there anything harder than trying to put on a wet bathing suit? Not that I can think of. Well, I hope this was helpful. These are the things we always take with us to all-inclusive resorts. What are some things that you take with you? Please leave it in the comments down below. We all learn from each other, and it's such a great community, building each other up, sharing helpful tips. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you in the next one. Those are our top must-haves for any all-inclusive trip, and trust us, they make a huge difference. Everything we mentioned is linked below and in our travel shop, so you can grab what you need before your next vacation. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget travel tips, and check out our other packing and travel gear videos. Your perfect all-inclusive getaway starts before you even zip the suitcase.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.